We begin this evening with more revealing details emerging from conversations among alleged gangsters in the One Don gang. As Raquel Porter now reports, the gang's alleged leader was hoping he would avoid prosecution under the anti-gang legislation.
Andre Blackman Bryan was arrested and charged with leading a criminal network in 2018. However, in a conversation between Mr. Bryan and the prosecution's star witness, the alleged gang leader seemed sure that he would not be convicted under the anti-gang legislation which took effect in 2014. The conversation went like this.
Watch out now. Them comes to book you see. If somebody a go be the witness, them have to go in the gang for a long time. For really be a good witness, you understand me?
Yeah.
They say me split the gang from Miller. And that's the wickedest thing with them not have.
Oh!
You understand what I say?
But sitting and tell me say the person where I go court for Miller, I him a call up your name. I true that?
Yeah, but him not know me. I jail him see me. Him not know me a road.
Oh, jail.
I jail him see me. From 2009 I come off a road you know.
So, you don't know who then?
And at 2014 the law come in. So nothing before 2014 can't use against me.
Can't use against him, I understand.
Cause when I go around 2016, him never see me. He don't know nothing about me. So basically, he don't know nothing about me.
True.
You understand what I say?
Just go and hold your own then, man.
That me I try. Make some money and do what me have to do. You say you want to move? And no. And that me I tell you.
Yeah, man.
Meanwhile, the former Don-turned-state witness told the court how the lone female accused, Stephanie Christie, supplied a cop assigned to the Spanish Town police station with information about disloyal members of the One Don gang who she wanted removed. He, however, insisted that the police officer was not corrupt. Responding to Chief Justice Brian Sykes as to how he came by the information, the witness said Miss Christie told him that she was cleaning up Top Banks, a community in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, in preparation for the return of Andre Blackman Bryan when he is released from police custody. Among the gangsters the witness said Miss Christie wanted to remove was Lamar Simpson, otherwise called Sickhead or Brains, who is one of the 33 defendants on trial. According to the witness, Mr. Simpson refused to hand over extortion money he collected. The trial continues on Monday. Raquel Porter, TVJ News.